Samsung could soon give buyers in the United States a second chance to grab one of its boldest devices yet, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. After selling out in just minutes during its first US release, reports now suggest that a restock may be happening very soon. When the Galaxy Z TriFold launched in the US with a massive price tag of $2,899.99, many people were unsure how it would perform. It is one of the most expensive smartphones ever released by Samsung. On top of that, it is a limited edition device built to show off Samsung's foldable technology at its best. This was not meant to be a mainstream phone. It was designed to prove what Samsung is capable of. But something surprising happened. The device sold out almost instantly. Despite the ultra-high price, US buyers rushed to get their hands on the TriFold. Units disappeared in minutes. That level of demand clearly sent a message. People are hungry for innovation. The smartphone market has felt somewhat stagnant in recent years, with most devices offering small upgrades instead of big changes. The TriFold, however, introduced a new form factor that felt fresh and exciting. According to a report from the Chosun Daily, Samsung sold nearly the same number of TriFold units in the US as it did in Korea. That is impressive, especially considering that the device launched earlier in Korea and has already gone through multiple sales rounds there. There may have been early concerns inside Samsung that the US market would not respond strongly to such an expensive and experimental device. But the quick sellout proved otherwise. American buyers showed strong interest in cutting-edge foldable technology even at a premium price. Now, based on recent information, Samsung is reportedly preparing to restock the Galaxy Z TriFold in the US sometime in February. This means that people who missed out the first time may soon have another opportunity. Some have wondered whether this restock could happen around the same time as the Galaxy S26 announcement, which is expected on February 25. However, it seems unlikely that Samsung would mix the spotlight between two very different products. The Galaxy S26 will likely focus heavily on Galaxy AI features and mainstream appeal. The TriFold, on the other hand, is more of a showcase device. Instead of a big promotional push, the TriFold may quietly reappear in stock on Samsung's official store. That approach would keep attention focused on the company's main flagship lineup, while still satisfying the strong demand for the foldable. However, anyone hoping for discounts should not get their expectations too high. During its initial use launch, Samsung did it in deals or special savings on the $2,899.99 price. That disappointed some buyers, but there may be a clear reason behind this decision. In December 2025, Korean media outlet The Bell reported that Samsung might actually be selling each Galaxy Z TriFold at a loss. According to that report, the production cost of the device is higher than its retail price. If that information is accurate, it explains why Samsung did not provide trade-in benefits or discounts. The company simply does not have much room to cut the price. If Samsung is already losing money or making very little profit on each unit, offering additional savings would make even less sense. The TriFold appears to be more about brand image and technological leadership than about direct profit. Because of that, the second batch for the US is not expected to be much larger than the first. There will likely be a slight increase in available units, but it probably will not be enough to satisfy everyone who wants one. Samsung seems to be treating this device as a premium, limited edition showcase rather than a mass-market product. For tech enthusiasts who want to experience a completely new foldable form factor, the upcoming restock could be the perfect opportunity. But once it is gone again, it may be difficult to find another chance anytime soon.